Hello viewers, welcome to Study Hacks. This is our second class for AutoCAD Beginners course A to Z. In this class, we discuss about how to do page setup in AutoCAD. For page setup in AutoCAD, we following this step. First is drawing unit setup. Second, dimension style setup. Third, set UCSS icon. Fourth, set drawing limit. Fifth, zoom control. Sixth, drafting setting. So let's start. So here I already open AutoCAD software. In our previous class, I discussed about AutoCAD introduction and AutoCAD user interface. If anybody want to see this video, I give the link in this video description. So here I first set up drawing units. For drawing units, we type in command prompt area UN, then enter, or we go format and then units. Here length type, here decimal, I change it architectural, and precision 0 feet 0 inch. The angle is degree minute second, and precision 0 degree 00 minute 00 second. Insertion scale unit to scale inserted point, this okay, that is inch, and then simply okay. Now we set up dimension style. For dimension style, in command prompt area we write D, then enter, or we go format, then click on dimension style. If here we promote a new dimension style, click new, or modify default dimension style, click in modify. The first primary units, the primary units is same as drawing units. This is architectural and precision 0 feet 0 inch. Then text, here we color change in text. This is we used by layer. And file color, if you want to background color on text, on dimension text, then we use here red, yellow, green or other color. I select here none. And text height 12 inch, and text element I click ISO standard, then symbol and arrows. There are many type of arrows. Close field, then close blank, close, I select close field, and arrow size here promote 4 inch. Then lines, here dimension lines, if I change this color, then change in arrow lines color. So we had select by layer. I also change for arrow line, line type and line weight. This not need. Then I change color for extension line. This is extension line. This is I also provide here by layer. Then okay. If I here set this dimension style, click standard and set current and close it. Now I set UCS icon, that means user coordinate system icon. Here we see this UCS icon move by mouse scroll. If I will freeze it, then go in view, then display UCS icon and uncheck the origin option. Then this UCS icon is fixed. Now here we set drawing limits. But why we set drawing limits? Because this AutoCAD page is infinity. For this reason, we here set drawing limit. It is 500 feet or 1000 feet. So here we set limits 1000 feet. So for that, we type in command prompt area limit, then enter, and then 0 feet, comma 0 feet, enter, then 1000 feet, comma 1000 feet, enter. Here set drawing limit for 0 feet to 1000 feet. Now we find this 0 feet and 100 feet page area. For this we zoom control. Then we write in command prompt here Z enter A and 4 enter 1 2 3 4. Here we are discussing about drafting setting. For drafting setting, we write in command prompt area ds, then enter, or from tools to click drafting setting. So first we discuss about snap and grid. The first snap on is we press function key F9, or also here this is snap on. If I uncheck, this snap is off. And here is setting snap spacing. We change for also requirement, and also here grid. If we press function key F7, this grid is on or off, and here is grid is on off. If we click here, then grid is on. And here we also define grid spacing in x and y direction. Then OK. So we show here grid. This two grid distance in x direction is 10 inch, and this two grid distance in y direction is also 10 inch. And now we draw here by line command. You see here after 5 inch this cursor is stopped on this grid because we are defining snap 5 inch. So after every grid this cursor is stopped, and he indicate this is 5 inch. Now we discuss about polar tracking. The polar tracking defined increment angle. If you on this, it's indicate after 45 degree angle. Now we reduce 30 degree, then we draw a line command. You see here a green, this is indicate polar. After 30 degree is indicate, so see here this polar direction, here this is 30 degree. After every 30 degree this is indicate, this is polar tracking. Then object snap. Here object snaps on option is on. If you clear all, then OK. Then I draw a line from this point, but we can't because object snap option is off. If I on this setting, select all, OK. Now I draw from this line in point or mid point, anywhere. So now 3D object, this object snap, this is we discussed from 3D drawing. Now here we discuss about dynamic setting. Dynamic setting, here we see the enable pointer input, this is off, and all the setting is off for dynamic setting. Now we here type line command. Then you see here the no command prompt area with cursor, but if we on this option, we see here command prompt area with cursor. Now we discuss about quick properties. The quick properties, now quick properties is on. If quick properties is on, I draw a line and simply click on this line. Here show this line properties. If this quick properties option is off, then we click on this line, it's not sure your this line properties. After double click, this show these properties. Now we discuss about select cycling. Here select cycling option is on. Now we have type 3 line for understand this option. I copy this line and every line I give different color, yellow, red, green. Now this line move on this line and red line also move this yellow line. If I select only this yellow line but I select red line, what can I do? So on select cycling and display selection cycling list box, then simply OK. Then we select this yellow line and here a box for which line we select, the red line or green line or yellow line. So this is our AutoCAD page setup class. In our next class, we discuss about freehand drawing by using line erase, zoom and pan command. So that's all. Thanks everyone for watching this video. For more video, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for update notification. Thank you.